Hi. Now, today we are going to learn an important form of energy, very important in our daily life and in communication. Starting from the class 6 level, we learn the different forms of energy: heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, sound energy, and the uses of the different forms of energy. Now also we define the forms of energy in class 6 level. What is light? Already we learned this. What is heat? That we learn in class 7 level. And in this class, in this session, we are going to learn about the one form of energy, that is the sound energy. How can you define this? What is sound? We communicate with each other by this form of energy. We express ourselves, what we are thinking, what we are going to do, and what should we do, that we think, and we communicate this through a medium. Either this is in Bengali or in English, in different languages. That is the sound. That means sound is a form of energy like all other forms of energy that can produce sensation in human brain or in human sensitive organ, sense organ like skin, eye, tongue, etc. Also, this form of energy can produce sensation of hearing in our ears. Sensation of hearing in our ears. So, if you try to define this form of energy, how can you define this? Very simple. This is a form of energy which can produce sensation of hearing in our ears. Sensation of hearing in our ears. But what will be the source? What will be the source of sound? Yes, the main question, what will be the source of sound? The source of sound. The source of sound will be the vibration. The source of sound will be vibration. Vibration is vibration of a biological body or vibration of a mechanical device. Vibration of a biological body means the vibration of our vocal cord can produce sound and it produces sensation in our ears. Yes. Now vibration. So very simple, we can say that this is the vibration. And also we learn this. What is vibration? The to and fro movement of a body is called vibration with respect to the mean point, mean position, or the position at rest. One mechanical device that can produce sound, that is very simple, that we learn in class 6 level chapter motion. That is a very simple device that can produce sound also, and this is the simple pendulum. This is the simple pendulum. This is the bob of the pendulum. This is the bob. Now the pendulum moves to and fro, motion from its mean position, that is the position P at rest, now starts to move towards the left, reaches the extreme left position A, and then back to the extreme right position. This is the extreme right position of the pendulum. That means from P to A, then back to extreme right position B, and then back to the mean position. Then one vibration is said to be made by the pendulum. So this is one mechanical device, very simple device which can execute vibration. Okay, and we can calculate the number of vibrations made by the pendulum or the vibrating body. Yes, clapping can produce sound. Also the vibration, when we clap our hand, when we control our vocal vibration of the vocal cord, or when we just hit the blackboard, the sound will be produced. That is the vibration of the air column produces the sound here. So in this case, this is simple pendulum, very simple. We learned this already simple pendulum. This is the bob of the simple pendulum. When a small heavy non-magnetic body is suspended by an inextensible string that execute periodic motion is called a simple pendulum. We can calculate this. There are some important terms related to this to define the sound and the different operations of the sound. These are the very simple few terms are here. That is number one, frequency. Frequency, important terms related to the sound, we should learn this. Frequency means if we consider this vibration of the pendulum, so it execute number of vibrations with respect to time. If we can calculate this, how many number of vibrations are made in 1 second? How many number of vibrations are made in 1 second? This is called frequency. That means number of vibrations made by a vibrating body in 1 second. This is called the frequency. Very simply, it is denoted by either small n or small f. Either small n or small f. Frequency is denoted by this. But how long or how much time will take to complete one vibration? Also, you can calculate this. This is called time period. This is called time period. So time period means time taken to complete one vibration. This is time taken to complete one vibration or oscillation. It is denoted by capital T. This time period is denoted by capital T. There will be a standard relation between the time period and the frequency. Now, how can you express this? If the body execute f number of vibration, let the frequency of the body be small f. Then how can you define this? That means relation between f, that is frequency, and time period. If the body execute vibration f number in 1 second, that is frequency will be f. That means f vibrations are made in 1 second. Let us consider frequency be small f. That means f number of vibrations made in 1 second. Okay. Therefore, one vibrations made in 1 by f second. What is this? Actually, this is the time period, time taken to complete one vibration. So, therefore, we can write this capital T equal 1 by f. Time period equal 1 by frequency. Okay, next we are going to learn the unit. As it is a physical quantity, frequency, time period, so they have particular unit of frequency. Unit of frequency. What will be the unit? In SI. In SI unit, the frequency unit of frequency will be hertz. HERTZ, simply HZ. And in CGS, that will be CPS, cycle per second. We learn in the next class, in the next video, why we express this in CPS, and there will be no such other relation between hertz and CPS. 1 hertz means 1 CPS. Okay. And similarly, in case of the time period, unit of time period. Unit of time period, in all cases, in SI or in CGS, both the SI and CGS unit of time period is second. SI unit of time period is second. And in this video we learn up to this. In the next video we also learn how can you express the propagation of the sound, why we say that the sound is a form of energy, why it is called an elastic wave, and how does sound propagate to the air medium, what will be the relation between the wave velocity, frequency, and the wavelength of it. Okay, today up to this.